Hello everybody, we create that main part in the previous lesson and we absolutely make it look better. If you want to see how this presentation created up till now, you can subscribe and like and go to my channel and see how we created these slides. They are here. But we created these 3 slides in the previous lesson that are totally amazing. But the important thing about this slide is how we are going to present them. The most important thing about this transition is some of you may say we don't need transition, and I'm really okay with that thing. We don't need any transition at all. But the problem about transition is that the transition buy you time. What I mean, for example, let's say we have this 3 slide here. Okay, let's change the background, format background, and make it solid fill and also white. Okay, this is the first background, second one, and the third one. Let's see, we have these 3 slides without any transition. What is going to happen? Let's say we are going to the view that we need. Which view we are going to show? Presenter view. Here we have all the text that we need. For example, we start to describing what this paragraph means. Artificial intelligence is transforming everyday life by enhancing convincing efficiency and decision making. We are going to, for example, tell you about a minute, speak about this slide, but what is happening at the end is important. What is happening when you tell everything about this slide, when you don't have any transition, you must at the fastest moment start telling about the next slide. If you are a great presenter and you can speak immediately about the next topic, it's a very good way of presenting. But if you are a little, for example, stressed out or sometimes think you need more time, you can just set the transition to, for example, 2 seconds. 2 seconds is good. And then when here you speak about this slide and then the speak ended, when the person is on the computer or on the laptop change a slide, you have a 1 or 2 seconds that you can look on the motherboard and wait for the slide to be changing. It's not very professional and I don't approve it for speaking, but some of the times you are not a speech master, don't want to get a great speech, your career is speaking. You just need to speak for a period, for a presentation, for a work situation or for college situation, and that time the transition make your PowerPoint more beautiful and also absolutely give you some advantages on the time. Okay, if you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need anything, please ask me in the comments. I will answer you immediately. Until then, bye.